14 जून 2020 को सुशांत की मौत के बाद सवाल नेपोटिज्म को लेकर खड़े हुए और अब ये किसी और ही मोड़ पर है। अब तक कई दावे किए गए लेकिन किसी को ये नहीं पता चला कि आखिर सुशांत के दिमाग में चल क्या रहा था। अब खुद सुशांत बताएंगे कि आखिर क्या थी उनकी प्लानिंग। अब आपको खुद सुशांत की जुबानी सुनाते हैं कैसे वो अपने भविष्य को लेकर परेशान थे और वो एक ट्रस्ट भी बनाना चाहते थे जिसका जिक्र वो एक मीटिंग में कर रहे हैं।
At this point in time, I just wanted a request, as a favor to us. And how should we just save all the money, do it in a way
We
that I
talked
can.
about a worst case scenario yesterday, and
Yes.
that was the worst case thing that we discussed.
Yeah, because here I'm fighting my mind, so
Yeah.
that's probably the worst case.
So the worst case
I can ever see.
which generally happens when we do worst case cases is having a private trust set up and to take care of the individual and ensure that all financial decisions are with a pool of people in terms of a trustees who actually decide.
Right.
And they have a parameter as you will
Right.
guide us in that.
So how do we go
Isn't that
about
an
this?
extreme?
As I said, that's a worst case scenario, right?
Those things are there, yes.
I think
He had this insistence yesterday.
trust me.
सुशांत के 15 करोड़ रुपए को लेकर बहुत सवाल खड़े हो रहे हैं। सवालों के घेरे में है रिया चक्रवर्ती। जनवरी में हुई बैठक में सुशांत फंड मैनेजर से बात कर रहे थे तो रिया और उनके पिता भी वहां मौजूद थे। सुनिए वो आवाज और सोचिए मौजूदगी का राज।
So I'll tell you. So I've definitely wanted in a way that if, for example, tomorrow I'm not there or Shruti is not there or Miranda is not there and there are newer people who are just there. If someone gets his card, so firstly the first thing I told them is to start making everything in FDs.
Right.
Which is why they must have called you frantically.
Right,
They
right,
just
yeah.
put all his money in FD. So in the card there should not be more than 10-15 lakhs at any given point. That's one thing. Second thing is that money that he has, so that we can get some interest from it, so he doesn't start eating into his savings in the best case possible that
Right.
you all can come up with.
Right.
And to safeguard his money in a way where only without his signature nothing can happen, like to break an FD.
सुशांत की एफडी कराने का प्लान रिया का था। रिया ने ही सुशांत के पैसे सेट करने की पूरी प्लानिंग तैयार की थी। लेकिन सवाल खड़ा होता है कि सुशांत के पैसों से रिया को क्या काम। पहले सुनिए ऑडियो की आगे की क्लिप जिसमें रिया कह रही हैं कि कैसे सुशांत को पैसों की एफडी तैयार करने के लिए कहा था।
Yeah, so
See, right now he
steps
only
will
had his
take-
money open.
Yeah.
Few FDs have been made now, and some are in mutual funds, and some are still open.
It was badly managed earlier.
We just have to be managed it well.
Not the highest
I know, but I'm saying
I would not
for
put
someone
money
like
in
me,
as
who
PF.
when I know that it's just there, all I can suggest is
It's
people
every
here
February
and
rate
immediately
is so
every
low that we only put a certain amount and then we did not.
Right.
rather than it being open in a card, which I don't know who the hell will have that card at any given point.
So we had
I
plans
thought
to
this
shift him
is-
from Kotak Privy to Kotak Wealth.
All
They
that,
will shift.
yeah.
They will manage the asset like an AMC
Yeah.
does, or a private or an ASK
Chai
advisor.
coffee now just
I've told you, Charles coming.
Kotak also will make money on
Yes,
private
yes.
take commission and all.
Everybody does. No, it's just a question of who will make lesser commission. The people who charge a lakh a year and they're happy. Somebody who charges
I
0.05.
also want to give everything in one person's hands,
Right.
right? We just talk and diversify it as much as
Sure,
we can.
sure.
I mean, I don't know if there's enough to even just buy a small, like, to invest in a small property. Still use the cards come in someone else's hands, right?
You
Don't
really
keep an
swipe limit.
open-ended
Yeah.
limit on cards.
no. Anyway, I'm saying the card should never have more than 10 lakh rupees.
Oh no, what she's talking about is different.
Even in a
Swipe,
single
Daily swipe
swipe.
limit, yeah.
There is a limit.
So there is a
first
limit.
swipe.
Yeah. So we have two cards here. One is a small card, one is the larger one. The larger one is his that has a 5 lakh limit and the smaller one has a 50 grand limit.
सुशांत के पैसे कैसे सेट करने हैं ये सब कुछ रिया तय कर रही थी। ऑडियो में खुलासा हो रहा है कि रिया पूरा खाका तैयार कर रही थी।
If we have say 10 rupees that has to go in this trust, and suppose you want to make an FD or a mutual fund of it, that's still the trustees can
The trustees will
The
decide what is
trustees
best.
will
yeah.
decide.
will decide what is best to be
yeah,
done.
which
with it.
has a better return rate and which less risky. And you
So
can
see,
define all that. It can be a
whoever you-
simple or a huge document, as critical as complicated.
But
as
see, this is the
way.
worst case scenario.
Yeah. I personally feel
I
that
also
at this-
personally feel like we can come to this conclusion after a month.
Yeah.
सुशांत क्या सोच रहे थे या उन्हें सोचने पर मजबूर किया जा रहा था। जनवरी 2020 की बैठक के ऑडियो से काफी कुछ चीजें साफ हो जाती हैं।
When I hardly go out of my room.
Right.
Yeah.
No, that I'm
That's
sure
a-
we'll be able to work something.
Fair thing. But yeah, it's a long life. So working again, it has to be a goal post that you have to achieve.
Yes, so that's what
Yeah,
I'm saying.
yeah.
So I'll have my intellectual curiosity to take care
Right.
of that, but not in terms of any economic commitment.
Right.
Because this kind of frame of mind, like one day I feel something and the second day I feel something
Right.
else about work. So I cannot be wasting others' time at all.
Right.
Yeah? So like that, if we could plan once, then
You sugar something.
huh?
You sugar something.
Yeah.
We'll tell you. Just give us 2 days.
Okay.
You are the best people.
Saviors.
Saviors.
रिया ने बोला था कि सुशांत को पैसे उड़ाने का शौक था, लेकिन ऑडियो ने कुछ और ही साबित किया है। ऑडियो में सुशांत कह रहे हैं कि वो पैसे सुरक्षित करना चाहते हैं।
I'm just saying, what can we do to just ensure that I stop spending money that I
So
spend?
we have this list of expenses that you incur every month, right? Right from this house to employees to cars to everything. And currently, the status of this corpus, assuming there's no further income, it's difficult or impossible rather to even sustain that kind of expenditure. So you need to cut down whichever can be cut down immediately and start saving money.
So this house probably, but since it's a new license and he has a deposit, maybe we'll have to speak to the.
We can speak and get out of it.
We can
If
speak
the
and get out
decision
of
is
it.
to get out of it, we get out of it. Maybe we.
But I was just saying, for that call to happen, for the decision to happen, maybe in a month we can start talking to the owner.
Yeah, and I'm thinking in good faith we can even start helping him find another
Correct.
tenant because it's
Yeah.
happened to me also. I've been in a situation where he wanted to get out.
सुशांत को लेकर अब तक कई सारे दावे किए गए, लेकिन सच्चाई क्या थी, इस ऑडियो ने काफी हद तक साफ किया है। न्यूज़ तक ब्यूरो।